Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to J Vlogs. I just want to make a really short video to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Thank you for being here with me throughout the years from I started YouTube entire 2018. I've a lot of ups and downs. I've made it to 2019, and I'm grateful to live to see a new year. I know it just started, and we have a lot of expectations going forward. But I just want to say, thanks to all my loyal Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, my loyal subscribers, new and old. You guys have been here. You guys, hold me down, and I really, really appreciate that. You guys, continue to watch my videos, continue to comment, continue to leave feedback, and that just makes me, grateful, to be able to share, my content with you and share stuff with you guys. So I just really appreciate it. And I just want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Happy New Year to you and your family. And I hope you, set goals and try to achieve them for the new year. I hope you go into the new year with a renewed spirit, renewed mindset, there's a reset or a continuation of, progress, a continuation of the progress that you have made in 2018. Take it into 2019. So I just want to say it is a joy, everybody's here, everybody's in good health, and, it just makes me happy. So I want to say, look forward to new videos, look forward to, great content from J Vlogs, Mark Plunkett J Vlogs, and just enjoy it with me. So thanks a million again for still being here with me. Really, really appreciate you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. J Vlogs, I'm out.